Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to register an account on YouTube and Youku. In order to register an account of YouTube, we need to go to the youtube.com first. Second step is clicking the icon Sign In on the upper right corner. Then you can see the page show like this. Now you need to click. Let me show you how to click the create account. Then you can see this website. You can choose your email or phone number to be your account. You can finish registering your account by filling up the information. Then I will show you how to register Youku. In the home page of Youku, you can click the icon of subscribe. Finally, you can see the page. You can see the website like this. But for Youku, you only can use your email to create your account. I think it is convenience for the user of Youku to create an account if they can only use email. It will be better for Youku to have a choice of phone number just like YouTube, and the page of sign is not directly.